Being able to track your browsing history helps to keep tabs, no pun intended, on everything you do online. Of course, not everyone wants to keep track of everything. So whether you're looking up some embarrassing health questions or picking up some Christmas gifts for your partner, Incognito Mode in Chrome helps lessen your digital impact online. Of course, if Incognito Mode won't fly in your home or business, there are some steps you can take to disable the mode altogether. Here's how it's done. While there's no easy option or extension to disable Incognito Mode on Chrome itself, there is a way by editing into the app's code. On most systems, this usually would entail using a command prompt. If you're on Windows, you're in luck. Just visit the link in the description below, scroll down, then download the files under steps 2 and 3. Once you've downloaded these files, just head to your Downloads folder and run the file Disable Incognito Mode in Google Chrome by double-clicking on it. A window will pop up asking if you want to run the file. Click Run, then click through the warnings until you get a pop-up from your registry editor. Click OK, restart Google Chrome if it's open, and Incognito Mode will be completely disabled. To undo this, just run the file labeled Enable Incognito Mode in Google Chrome and follow the prompts. If you're on macOS, the process is just a bit more complicated. Using Launchpad or Spotlight Search, find and launch your terminal app. Just copy and paste the command in the description below and press Enter. Once that's done, restart your Mac and Incognito Mode on Chrome will be disabled. To undo this, head back to Terminal and copy and paste the same command, replacing the 1 at the end with a 0 before hitting Enter. If you are looking to disable Incognito Mode for Chrome on a mobile device, unfortunately, you are out of luck. There's no way to change your registry editor on iOS or Android to affect an app, so instead, you're better off switching to a different browser that lacks a private browsing mode. You may also be able to use parental control apps like Screen Time on iOS or Google's Family Link app to achieve a similar result. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Google Chrome and other technology. And do not forget to check out one of these videos. We think you might enjoy.